This is the Rolling Craft Tote die set from Spellbinders. There are 12 different dies in this set to create 2 different versions of the Rolling Craft Tote. Now I'm using it to create a card because I think it would be a really fun card with a coordinating sentiment. Now you could also use this on a scrapbook page. If you have some pictures from a scrapbook retreat or a card making retreat, this would be a really fun way to create a layout for it. The pieces are really easy to put together. I did a little bit of light ink blending before assembly, and then I also like to use liquid glue in order to move and shimmy my pieces in place perfectly. Liquid glue just gives you that little bit of wiggle room in order to help you do that. Here I'm putting them together on top of my sticky mat. You don't necessarily need to do that, but it is a great way to do it because I'm using some metallic cardstock for part of the handle to resemble the metal part of a Rolling Craft Tote handle, and I thought using some matte silver cardstock was perfect for that. You can see how quick and easy the assembly is. What I often like to do, especially if you're someone that's new to layered die cuts and find it a little bit overwhelming, is I will often lay everything out close to where it's supposed to go, and that way I can see that I have all of the pieces, and as I'm working on it, I have less and less pieces to assemble, so it takes the overwhelm away from it. Then I let that dry, and look at that adorable result. Again, perfect for this card, but it would also be fantastic on a scrapbook page.